Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to get rewards in Candy Crush Saga. To begin, understand that rewards are crucial for progressing through levels and overcoming tricky challenges. They provide valuable boosters, extra lives, and gold bars, making your gameplay much smoother. We'll cover several straightforward methods to consistently earn these helpful items, ensuring you always have an edge in the game. Let's dive into the easiest ways to boost your reward collection. One of the simplest ways to earn rewards is through daily interactions. Spin the daily booster wheel for a chance at various power-ups, and don't forget to collect your daily treat machine bonus, which often includes lives or boosters. Also, keep an eye out for time-limited events and challenges that frequently appear. Participating in these can net you significant rewards, sometimes even hundreds of gold bars or dozens of special candies, just for completing a few simple tasks. As you progress through the game, completing levels is a primary source of rewards. Earning 3 sugar stars on a level often grants extra bonuses. Additionally, participate in the episode race, where you compete against other players to finish new episodes. Reaching the top positions can award you with dozens of valuable boosters and hundreds of gold bars. Always aim to clear levels efficiently to maximize your star count and unlock these fantastic progression-based rewards. Don't overlook the power of social connections for more rewards. Connecting your game to Facebook can often provide a one-time bonus of several gold bars or extra lives. You can also ask your friends for lives when you run out, ensuring your gameplay continues uninterrupted. Furthermore, keep an eye on special in-game offers and promotions, as these sometimes provide excellent value for purchasing bundles that include hundreds of gold bars and many powerful boosters.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.